Understanding Initial Margin, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting financial term, initial margin. This phrase is crucial in the world of finance and trading, but it can be a bit confusing. So, let's break it down together. Initial margin refers to the minimum amount of money that you must deposit to open a new position in a financial market. Think of it like a security deposit. This margin is a percentage of the total value of the position and acts as a guarantee for future performance. For example, if you want to buy stocks worth $10,000 and the initial margin requirement is 10%, you need to deposit $1,000. The initial margin plays a key role in managing risk in financial markets. It protects both the trader and the brokerage firm. By requiring this margin, firms ensure that traders have a stake in their trades and are less likely to engage in overly risky behavior. It's a way to maintain a healthy and stable trading environment. It's crucial to differentiate between initial margin and maintenance margin. While the initial margin is what you pay to start a trade, the maintenance margin is the minimum amount you must maintain in your account to keep the trade open. If your account value falls below this level, you'll get a margin call, asking you to deposit more funds or close the position. Understanding the concept of initial margin is key for anyone interested in trading and finance. It's not just about rules but about ensuring responsible trading practices. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion and helps you on your financial learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!